The Learjet 45 succeeds in the areas of cabin comfort, speed, and climb performance. Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring this 2001 Learjet 45 based out of Tulsa, Oklahoma to market. The aircraft has a total of 8 seats plus an aft belted lavatory. The forward galley contains a hot liquid container and multi-storage compartments. Stay connected in the air with the GoGo Avance L3 Plus Wi-Fi. The aircraft is powered by 2 upgraded Honeywell TFE 731-20BR-1B engines. Both engines are enrolled on Honeywell MSP. The APU is enrolled on Honeywell MSP Gold. The cockpit features Honeywell Primus 1000 avionics. It is equipped with universal UNS 1EW FMS with WAAS, LPV, and GPS. In 2016, the aircraft underwent new paint and interior by Elliott Aviation. The interior features new 2023 Red Rock Fortune carpet, high gloss quarter walnut woodwork, and new 2023 lower Tapas ultra leather sidewall panels. The exterior base is snow white with light blue and deep red accents. The aircraft has fresh Westar Aviation A and B inspections completed in February of 2023. Contact us today to learn more about this amazing opportunity.